Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app problem. To know how to find a solution about Twitter app, you should just go to settings. Here on this page you will click apps, default apps, app settings. After that we'll enter to the window of Twitter. Here on this page of app info you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. If you are finding this blue sign update, then you can click to update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.